Hi guys, this is Shop Memer here and welcome to the product 10X ProfitBox. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and inside this video I will give you a detailed walkthrough of this tool. So basically I will be starting with the product, then I will be starting with the brief description about this product, then I will show you the inside of the product, like the topics. Like this is a course based product, like info based product, information based. That is why I will show you the taglines or the titles, or what is the stuffs you can get inside it, would it be fitting for you or not. And additionally I will be showing you my bonuses, and eventually I will be showing the stuffs, like additional stuffs. Okay, so let me start with the product. So this product is a totally newbie marketers product, like those who are really new inside affiliate marketing, those who are really also moderate, like spend their 2 or 3 months, already have spent their 2 or 3 months, and maybe more than that, like up to 6 months. They can easily go through the product, they can use the product. I highly recommend. This product is all about affiliate marketing knowledge. From the basic, it will grab you, it will make you enter inside the depth of the affiliate marketing, to go through the traffic stuff, the ad stuffs, the paid stuffs. Like let me show you now. Inside the basic, the overview section, the registration section, JVZoo and Warrior Plus registration, like the software marketing is mainly covered up inside this tool, the software marketing or the digital products marketing. Next thing, the hosting for your page builder, and a good thing, some done for you stuffs are given also inside this product. So the Insta builder, and inside the funnel section there are some done for you stuffs, like this template is done for you, you can download it. Like this template is also done for you. These are the funnel templates and you can download it very easily. So some done for you stuffs, like incredible, some good funnels. I have not checked up the funnel, and that is the thing, I have not checked it up and I have not seen it, but some 4 funnels are given inside it, like the thank you page also. Sorry, 3 pages, thank you page and 2 funnels are given inside this tool. And also these are the video knowledges. If I go through these, I have not gone through all of them, but I have gone through these of them, like those who are ticked marked, I have gone through them. And also I have not gone through full of them because I know the knowledge already, and these are really good for, I highly recommend to get the tool any newbie marketer. So the next thing is the traffic thing, and inside the traffic thing, this tool covered up both of the stuffs, like the free traffics, the Instagram, the YouTube traffic, the paid traffic, also the solo ads, the paid Instagram traffic, and Quora traffic is free, and also there is a Quora paid traffic version. And both of the stuffs are cleared inside this, the Quora paid and the Quora unpaid. And the solo ad thing, I really prefer the solo ad thing to become a good marketer inside make money online niche. And the YouTube traffic also cleared here. The sales funnel, like the when you sleep you can create your campaigns through your autoresponders. That thing, that email marketing stuffs is also talked about here, is also cleared here. Okay, like inside the videos, this lady will be teaching you the stuffs. Sorry, let me show you the face of the lady. Okay, so this lady will be teaching you the stuffs, and the campaigns, the bonus stuffs, or everything will be clear to you. And the next thing is the banner and the post bank and fast bank. I don't know, I have not gone through it. And follow up swipes is good thing also. And inside the bonus there is nothing given. So this was the tool, and I am repeating that I highly recommend it to newbie marketers. And these are the stuffs, like the knowledge also given, the resources also given, the done for you funnels, thank you pages are given. So 97%, 98, 93 overall, it has got 9.7 out of 10. The cost is 12.95 bucks, and this is cheap, very cheap, like more lesser than a big pizza or large pizza, whatever. So this is early bird pricings. Okay, and you can get the tool exactly from 11 a.m. On 24th of March, the New York time, 11 a.m. EST, in the morning of New York, and the launch ends by 29th of March midnight, and additionally she is giving you 120-day no satisfaction money back guarantee. So she is securing you, so I think you should have nothing to worry. You can refund it. This is really refundable, and you can refund it if you want to. So these are the descriptions about this tool you can check out before purchasing it, and these are the topics, the taglines are written here, and also what I think about this tool from my heart I have written here. And now let me show you the sales funnel of this tool. You can go through the descriptions if you want to, but I don't want to explain it here because that will make the video lengthy. Basically I can read out here and I don't want to do that. So these are the upsells, you can go through them if you want to. And let me show you the main thing, the bonuses. So the first bonus is, as usual, my free bonus. You can ask me anything from my Facebook page. You can message me about inside Make Money Online niche and I will be answering you. So my first bonus is Ultimate Traffic Mantra, which is all about your traffic sustainability. Like if you are getting traffic these days, it doesn't mean that you will be getting traffic after a year or 2 years or 3 years. The thing will be changed. Okay, so that is why what is the key of success, what is how you can sustain your traffic. Okay, so that stuff like the emotional part and the technical part is given here in this pack. So bonus number 2 is the financial freedom pack, the 5-figure freedom pack. I have not gone through it, but I don't know whether it is good or bad, but this is a video course. Okay, so the bonus number 3 is Bing Ad Mastery. This is a very good thing, the most cheapest ad in the world you can run inside internet. This is Bing Ad, and you can test so many split tests you can do inside Bing Ad, and that will be clear to you inside this pack. And inside solo ads, least building profit, you will be given the solo ad stuffs. Like if you are a new marketer, you really need to enter inside solo ads one day. So for that day I am giving you the bonus. So for my bonus 5 is Affiliate Traffic Lab. Like you can create your own product inside Affiliate Traffic Lab, like the ebooks, like the images, the banners, and like your own plugin or software, some automated stuffs, not that kind of like the premium, but you can do the good stuffs inside the images or banner or the ebooks, and you can sell them as your skill inside Fiverr, and you can sell them by promoting them inside Munchai or JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You can sell the stuffs. So this is a lab where you can create your own affiliate product. So the next thing is vendor bonus. Inside the vendor bonus there are some bonuses. These bonuses are really good also, you can't take as granted. So these are the bonuses that will help you also really good inside Make Money Online, like the Bitcoin Profit, like AdSense Mastery. These are also really good, but most of them I just realized after reading the title that most of them are made for the Make Money Online. That is a good thing also, so for the marketers. And inside the upsell bonus you will be given more. If you purchase the upsell of this tool from this website, you will be given 200 plus more softwares and more plugins, the image pack, the doodle character image pack. Apart from the image, you will be given like 1.46k email doodle character images, music pack, and the PLR products, 100 plus PLR products. So don't forget to click this blue button. This is named as Access Affiliate Bonus. That will give you the bonus, and this is the way after purchasing you can get the bonus. So that was the product overview and the bonuses. I think I have convinced you, so I am signing out of the video. I am wrapping up the video, so bye bye.